Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my February Boxycharm unboxing. I haven't done a Boxycharm unboxing in a hot minute. I feel like I always get my Boxycharm super late, but I figured I got it kind of early this time. So I figured I would just open it up on camera. I haven't done it in a while, so I figured might as well. Okay, so you open it up. And this is the Galaxy Glow box. So it comes with this little card, and on the back it has all of the products and their pricing. So the first thing I see in this box is this Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. I love this packaging. I think it's so adorable. I love the holographic thing right now. Okay, so this retails for $39.99, which is insane. This box, I paid $21 for it, so that's awesome. So it has 6 stunning holographic shades. It says this highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanted. So that's pretty cool. These look very pretty. Okay, so it has a yellow, blue, green. This is like a purple pink, purple, and then pink. So, I mean, these are kind of weird. Let's just swatch some of these. Ooh, they look really pretty. Green, yellow, blue. Ooh, that blue color is so pretty. Okay, so those are the swatches. They're really pretty. I just don't know how much use I'll get out of this. I don't really reach for highlighters like this. I mean, maybe I would go for the yellow one and this pinky one right down here. I could see myself using, but like I'm not someone that goes for like a green or a blue or even really a purple highlighter. Let's just grab a little brush. I'm just gonna grab this tapered brush, and I'm gonna go in to these 2 shades right here. I already have Ofra Rodeo Drive on. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. Oh, that's pretty. That did add a really pretty pinky shift to my highlighter, but it's not like extremely pink, so I really like that. That's pretty. I'm actually excited. I will keep testing this out and see. Okay, so the next thing I see in this box is the COVERFX Shimmer Veil. This retails for $28. It says these multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. This is what it looks like. So is this supposed to be like the Stila Magnificent Metals or the ColourPop Supernova Shadows? Because I really like those. I got the shade Amethyst. It is a pinky purple. Okay, so it just has a dofa applicator. I'm just going to, holy cow. Whoa. That is really, really pretty. Wow. There was like a ton of that on that wand though, so look at how reflective that is. Wow, that's pretty. And I don't think I have a shade like this in any of the ColourPop Supernova Shadows or the Stila Magnificent Metals. I don't think I have a pinky purple like this, so I'm excited. I'll probably use this a lot. I would put it on my eyes, but that literally just does not match my eyeshadow look. Okay, the next thing in this box is this Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Pencil. This retails for $21. Says Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. I actually didn't put eyeliner on my waterline or anything, so I'm just gonna try that. Lined and put that on my waterline. It is very black. It looks really nice on the waterline. You can see the difference. Okay, so that looks really nice on my waterline. I like that. I'm excited to keep testing this out. I'm excited to see if at the end of the night, if it smudges out. Really, on my outer corners, I have the hardest time. Okay, cool. I just got black all over my cheek. Mostly, almost every single time I put black on my waterline, on my outer corner right here, it really bleeds out. So I'm excited to see if at the end of the night it has stayed on my waterline. I'll let you guys know. I will update you guys in the description box down below. If I have tested out any more of these products or anything, I will put my thoughts down below so that you guys can check them out. The next thing is this Bellapierre Cosmetics Cosmic Glitter. I am not very excited about this. I have glitter. I hardly ever use glitter. It's kind of funny that they gave you something like this COVERFX Shimmering Veil liquid eyeshadow, and then they also give you a loose glitter, because I would pick a liquid glitter shadow over loose glitter every single day. 9 times out of 10 I will not use this. This retails for $15. It says this ultrafine loose cosmetic face and body glitter is fun, versatile, and extremely brilliant. Enhance your look with subtle touches of glitter or go all out with dynamic and intense glitter effects. So I probably won't use this because I do have the Stila Magnificent Metals and the ColourPop Supernova shadows. When I want to add glitter or a shimmer or anything to an eye look, those are what I go for. They make applying glitter to a look really simple, so I probably won't ever reach for that. The last thing in here is this Crown Pro brush set. So this set retails for $29.99. We have 3 brushes right here. These remind me so much of the Wet n Wild brushes. Where's one? Okay, I have one like right here. Like, tell me those don't look exactly the same. Like, almost identical. This is the Wet n Wild and this is the Crown. It even has the pink on the top. And this one's dirty because, I mean, I've had it for a while. But, I mean, even the packaging, the only thing is that the bottom of this is rounded and the bottom of the Crown ones are flat. So that's kind of really funny that these look almost exactly like the Wet n Wild brushes. So these, like I said, retail for $29.99. Says use this 3-piece pro brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. Okay, so they're saying this to set the whole face, which, I don't know, I like big fluffy brushes to set my entire face, so I don't know, I might use this for, maybe more for bronzer. This would be perfect for contouring the nose. I really like that for contouring the nose. I love the shape of it. It contours, it makes contouring my nose so easy. And then this one can be used to sculpt the cheekbones. This one could be good for contour. I always love getting new brushes. I feel like you can never have too many brushes. So this box retails for over $130, which is crazy. You pay $21 a month. You get a box with 4 to 5 full-size high-end products shipped to your house every single month for $21. And the boxes always retail for over $100. If you guys have not checked out Boxycharm yet, I highly suggest you do. It is my favorite thing to get every month. I love getting my Boxycharm. It is such a great deal and you always get such amazing items. Even if you only like one item, it's still worth it for the box. I'm excited for basically everything in this box except for the loose glitter. Everything else I will probably put to use. I did film this eye look and I'm filming a foundation wear test on this foundation. So if you want to see those videos, I will link them down below and in the eye over here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like Boxycharm unboxings. I don't do them a lot. I figured I would do one. I can do them every once in a while, but you can find a million Boxycharm unboxing videos. But make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you subscribe to Boxycharm and what some of your favorite products are that you have gotten from Boxycharm. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in my next video.